Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my entryway for the holidays, so come on with me guys. Okay, now this video today is part of a collaboration called Last Minute DIYs or Last Minute Decorating, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Okay, guys, so remember that this is an open playlist. We always have last minute DIYs, last minute decorating, wrapping gifts, all kinds of craziness between now and Christmas Day. So, all you have to do is upload your video, and I'll be more than happy to add it to the playlist at any time. Just send me a message. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I continue decorating this entryway, and I will see you at the end, guys. Now make sure and head on over to the community tab because every month I post a calendar of collaborations for the month, and there's always something for you or that will fit into your niche. So let's have some fun, guys. Now remember that I always post the playlist in the community tab. All you need to do is copy and paste it into your description box, or you could even do it in your comments. Now, I would also love for you guys to post the calendar of events, of collaborations in your community tab, because this will allow all of the subscribers that we know and don't know to see what kind of collaborations I'm hosting. And so I thank you so much for your support. it's time to head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. Remember that I combined the two, the DIY, last minute decorate till Christmas Day. It is an open playlist, so anytime you have an extra video, just let me know and I'll add it to the playlist, guys. Now, I'm absolutely loving that reindeer. I thrifted that item. It is absolutely gorgeous. And if I wanted to, I could spray paint it, but it just looks so festive, doesn't it? I love the way this entryway came out. And so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.